my friends, today I want to show you how I made this beautiful Elsa and Anna face blings. So I went in the shop to pick some Elsa team stickers, but they didn't have anything, but all I got is paper chains, and that worked really well for me. Like this, I got some diamonds, loose diamonds, and I have these tulip, glitter and metallic fabric glue. I have tweezers and I have wooden toothpicks. So what I done, cut out Elsa and Anna, and I done few designs few days earlier, and this is how it looks now. It's slippy on the other side, so I kind of design what I want. I put the gems beside and just some extra if I want, and I always have beside me just if I want something to grab. So usually it's like sticker over here, one diamond in the middle, longer ones at the side, and a few diamonds over here if I want. And for these ones I put around like little ones. Let's get started. I always keep my glue upside down so it won't get any bubbles inside when I'm pressing out the glue. So I'm gonna do some Elsa. So yeah, I'm using gold glitter, sorry, silver glitter. Okay, so I'm taking first a sticker and I put some glue over here, and I put the sticker on it. Make sure it's straight, press it out. Press, and once it starts getting a bit wet, the sticker starts on up, so I have to press edges few times. So what I do now, I make a big blob over here, that's for the big diamond, press it down. All the glue has to come out on the sides, so it looks like that at the moment. And then I'm gonna do 2 lines out like this. Grab my tweezers, the diamond like that, and press it. And press it. Make sure it's all the same. Press down the sticker. Now I'm gonna add some extra little blades just over here. So I'm gonna put some silver, just keep it simple, and then one over here. I'll take the blue one. And then I think that's okay for this one. Now I'm gonna do Anna, and I'm using golden glitter fabric paint. I'll do the same. A little bit glue over here. I'm nearly finished golden, so it's my popular color. Press again on the sheet. Press all the glue out. Now if you think it doesn't have enough on this side, you just go around, because I like to look the same at the edges. And if you mess up like me, I messed up a little bit on the side, so just add some blings over here. Shaking out. For this one I'm gonna put just flower in the middle. That's it. And gems on the sides, the long ones. Okay, these ones I can't use this tweezer because they're chunky, so I use my finger. And then press it down once you find the position. And one little gem here. It's not coming out, so I have to kind of shake it. many gems here. So I'm gonna look for this middle. So kind of press it in. And then I have to get some. On the sides I found this one pink. And I just put on sides. Yeah. And if you follow, just grab again. And I have to find my toothpick. So toothpick is the best for me to move. So I'm gonna stick a little bit. And I can move blue with toothpick too. I want this to be all around. Make sure it's all stick on, especially the sticker. Okay, see it's not the same on the side. Just a little bit glue. And that's it, tomorrow will be ready. So we're gonna do this now. All three are done. It's, I have to say, the metallic ones, it's a little bit harder to work because the lines has to be very perfect. My favorite glue is glitter one. So I'm gonna show you now how I peel the stickers. So you start from the bottom and you peel off carefully. Because it stays for 2 days, there's nothing left on the sheet. That's perfect. You're gonna transfer it into your book. I'm gonna try this. The same from the bottom. Okay, that how it looks. And then the last one. And just take your time. If it doesn't want to peel, don't force, just be gentle. Like this one. It's a little bit piece missing over here, so I'm gonna add a little bit glue and leave it for another day. It must be when I was making, I didn't put enough glue on this side. So shake it. Oh, come on. I know this nearly finished. That was good. Shake. Yay. Now I have glitter everywhere. Or what I do, put it back, just somewhere, and press it. And that's it. I'll wait till tomorrow. It's all done. And to transfer these beautiful gems on face, I use Mazaru Spirit Gum. That works really well for me. That's it. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Thank you very much. And see you next time. Bye.